Oh man, we have a problem. Houston, we've had a problem. You've tried Terrarium lately, or in the last few days, you'll notice that when you click on something to watch, let's click on something. Press play, and you let the sources come. And if you click on one of these sources, obviously I won't click on the slow one, I'll click on the one of these other ones. See if it finds something. It says yes player not installed. Yes player is not installed on your device. And Terrarium TV needs yes player to play media. Click install to install yes player. You can do that, but yes player has those annoying ads. I've been using MX player, but there's an easy fix for this. Easy fix, unless you want to go ahead and download yes player. You go back, and you go into your settings. Now when you get in your settings here, you see how it has, when you click in default player, we only have one option now. We used to have, I believe, we used to have VLC, we used to have MX player. Now we only have yes player. So the quick fix is to go down, and right here and choose default play action. See how the default is play right here? You can click on that and you can press play with. So when you click play with, what happens is every time you get in a movie or a TV show, it'll ask you whether you want to cast it, whether you want to have subtitles, or what player you want to play with. So let's get out and let's get back in a movie. And get back in the same movie, which was Justice League. Okay, and I'm going to come over here and I'm going to press play. Now I don't know if this is happening on the old versions of Terrarium or if it's just a new version, but this is what we woke up with. I'm going to click another link. And as you can see, now I can choose a video player. So you can choose your MX Player Pro. I like to use MX Player Pro, or you can use your VLC or whatever player you're using. So now if I click it, okay, I'll let it start really quick and then I will stop. There you go. So quick fix for your Terrarium. Again, I know some people, those ads don't bother them. The problem is that yes player, those are the annoying ads. Pop up whenever they want. Don't mind the ads on the bottom of Terrarium. The bottom when you go to the home page, but come on, you don't want it in your player. So quick fix, guys. It's really easy and Terrarium still works, so don't get worried. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and press like. Please hit that bell icon as well so you know when my next video is coming out. Right, peace.